All right, guys, we just finished up this 21 F250. Good customer of ours. We've done a couple for him. This is his newest truck. Did the McGaughys 8-inch lift. Did it in illusion cherry. Turned out really nice. Got the American Force Nemesis in a 2614, 38, 15, 50, 26 amp MTs. Of course, we did the RGBW rock lights. Kind of not a huge rock light person, but I do, when you got a custom color on your lift, the white kind of makes it stand out. We also matched the tow hooks. Did the McGaughys dual steering stabilizer with Fox shocks. While we had the tow hooks off and the bumper off, we've spaced the bumper forward about 3/4 of an inch just to allow a little bit more tire clearance right here in this area. We did the PMF Resi shocks. They're the Fox shocks, of course, but they're the PMF version for the 7 to 9 inch kits. We did the Resi, and the customer wanted the Resi mount up on top of the coal bucket just to kind of show it off a little bit more, which with the matching powder coat looks really cool. Of course, we placed the lights there just to kind of illuminate it that much more. Let me swap out to a wide angle so you can see a little better. We did the same Resi shocks in the back. And that's about it on this one. We didn't do anything crazy on it. It's a really nice looking F250. And a lot of the 8-inch lifts, the manufacturers that are making the 8-inch lifts are saying that theirs does not work with the 21s. We're getting, so apparently what we're gathering is that Ford has 2 different drive shafts in these trucks. And if you have the one that has the flange, just a bolt-on flange like here, that will accept the rear drive shaft spacer, it works fine on the 21 and newer trucks. If you have the one that has the U-bolt clamps, you will end up having to have a custom drive shaft built as of right now until someone comes out with an alternative method, which I think a couple brands are working on at this point. Let's get one more look at these Forces, which look amazing. All right, guys, as always, stay tuned for more. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that button, as we are going to be coming out with some more trucks equally as awesome as this one. Talk with you later. Thanks.